So here in this video we discuss about the biodiversity and the types of biodiversity and the importance. Okay, how its importance of biodiversity in our world, in our nature. Okay, so let's start. So first I write it here, the biodiversity. Okay, biodiversity. First, using this word, first I just write the bio. Bio means any living things, right? Living things. I just talk about the living things. Diversity means say variation. Okay, variation. That's mean okay. So we all know that in our environment different organisms are there, different plants are there, different animals are there, different insects are there, different microbes are there, right? All are different species and they are all combined, right? They are all different in nature, they are all different to each other, right? So how they living together? All are dependent to each other, right? And this combination is called that diversity, or we also say biodiversity. Here we always talk about the living things. That's why it is called bio. And here we all see the variation of different types. Their food habits are different, their living style are different, their environmental features are different, their adaptation are different. All are said to be different. All are various to each other. That's why this combined two package to form the biodiversity. So the biodiversity is a name, the word given by a scientist named WG, short name Rosen. Okay, Rosen. You just remember by Rose. Okay, Rosen. In 1985, he obtained the word the biodiversity, depending on their nature. Okay. So we all understand what is the biodiversity actually. What is the meaning of biodiversity? What is the meaning of biodiversity? Here, okay? Okay. So all are clear to me? Okay. So now we go to the types of biodiversity. Okay, types. This means actually different types. Okay, types are basically three types. We just classified them into three types. First one is species diversity. Okay, write it here, species diversity. Second one is genetic diversity, and third one is ecological diversity. Okay, ecological diversity. So ecological diversity are always also three types. It's also alpha diversity, gamma diversity, and the beta diversity. Okay, got it? Alpha diversity, beta diversity, and gamma diversity. These are the actual types. First we go to the species diversity. Okay, species diversity. Species diversity means we all see many more types. We all see always. What? We know that in our environment different organisms are there, different features are there, different species are there. Right? Suppose in our local area, what we see? Well, we see different dogs, like black dogs, red dogs, the same species, but the same variation. Within the same species, different variation also present. We all know that tiger, right? Royal Bengal tiger. We will see in Sundarban, right? So Royal Bengal tiger also present in our West Bengal, India. It is also present in different states. It is also present in different country also. They are look same. They are look same features, but something also varying to each other. Suppose Royal Bengal tiger in our West Bengal looks like that, looks like that, and the same looks also present in the Africa, but their character also different. Why different? Because of their nature, because of their environment, because of their weather, right? So that's why they become variant to each other, and this variance is also called the species diversity. Suppose I also say this is an area. This area have a different species are there. Okay, different type of species. Suppose A species, B species, C, D, E, F, different species are there. Right? In a small area. And if this diversity also present in the entire area, that's I also say the species diversity. Species diversity means how its richness in different type of species, how different to each other from a one species to another species. I also told you in the previous video that I also discussed the taxonomic hierarchy. In the taxonomic hierarchy, I also said the subspecies. In this way, from the species, a subspecies also formed. Okay, so this is the species diversity. Clear? Okay. Now I go to the genetic diversity. Genetic diversity means gene. When I talk about the genetic, gene means gene, right? Here the gene word also included, also present in the genetic form. Gene. When we talk about the gene, we also say character, right? Different character. Suppose your height is also tall. This is the character of a height. He sings very well. This is the character of her, right? So in this way, different character also present. Different character means different genes also present. Any gene is responsible for recognize a different character. Suppose I sing a song, I can sing because I have a gene also present which is responsible for this character. You are tall because you have that type of gene also present which help to increasing height, right? That's why you are tall. So where in an area where we see different variability in a gene, that is called a genetic diversity. Different gene also present, different type of character also present in a specific area or a specific diversity. That is called the genetic diversity. Clear? Okay. Next I goes to the ecological diversity. Ecological diversity means ecology means it is related to the ecosystem, right? Related to the environment. So here what we see here we divide in three categories: alpha, beta, and gamma. Right? Now we talk about the first. We goes to alpha diversity. Alpha ecological diversity. Alpha means I said it is a very small area. Suppose it is a small area. Within the small area, different diversity we also see. Different type of plant, different type of animal, different type of insects are there. That is called the alpha diversity. Okay, in a small area. Suppose you live in Kachrapara. So this is a Kachrapara, the small area, and within this area, different varieties is present. That is called is under the alpha diversity. Clear? Next we go to the beta diversity. Beta means it is the larger than the alpha. Suppose you are living in Kachrapara, and if you goes to the district wise, suppose you goes to the North 24 Parganas, all area, the area which under the North 24 Parganas. So this is under the beta diversity. Okay, this is the alpha, is the smallest one. Then is slightly larger than alpha. It is called the beta diversity. Okay, and the beta, so whole country or whole state, that is called the gamma diversity. Okay, suppose actually it's divided according to their area. Okay, all area have the measurement. Okay, I just don't remember in that time the measurement, but all the area have the measurement also. Okay, so now clear all the diversity, alpha, beta, gamma diversity. Now I go to the erase all those things. No space here. So now next I go to the importance of the biodiversity. Importance. Why the biodiversity is important to us? We have to know. We have to understand. Okay. Importance means how it affects our environment, how it affects our society. Biodiversity means it have the good quality of our nature, because if it have a different diversity, that means they have a different generation also present, different evolution also present, different adaptation also present, right? So first one is, if any area, any location have a different diversity, that means what we get? We get food source, right? Suppose you live in an area where poultry also be culture, right? So in that area, the chicken is very, you get the chicken in a very low price. That means it have a food source, right? We suppose we always go to the market when we get many options, right? We have a mutton, we have a chicken, and within the chicken different diversity also present, desi chicken or poultry chicken, right? We have so many options, and that is called diversity. If there is diversity, it also have a food source, right? So food source is the one importance. Second is, we also say it also help the ecological balance, right? It also help to ecological balance. Ecological balance means all the organisms are dependent to each other, right? Suppose we dependent to plants. Plants also dependent to us. So all are interact to each other. All are dependent to each other. That is called, it maintain the ecological balance. Suppose in a pond, in a river, this is the one ecological habitat, right? So here different fishes are there. So if the water become polluted, what happens? The ecological balance become disrupted, right? So it's also help to different diversity, help to maintain the ecological balance. Okay. Next what we say? Next we say it's also help the economic benefits, right? Economic benefits. Economic benefits means it also help different ecological purpose, right? Ecological purpose means it also help in our fooding, lodging, right? Or we say different fisheries. All we use in our benefits, right? That's why we say the ecological benefits. Okay. Another one, what we say, is also help in drug making, right? We all get many different type of drugs from different plants, medicinal plants, different sea animals, right? So all they use as a drug. We all know that from the snake, right? So from the snake toxin, we also get different medicine, right? So it's also here the drug making, right? So this is some importance of the biodiversity. I think you like it. Okay, and something also I just missing. Till now, in the world, you just remember there are actually 5.5 million different species are there in the world. Actually, 5 means 5 to 50 million. 50 million species are there. Can you imagine? There are so many species are there, subspecies are there in the world, but just discovered 1.1 to 1.7 million only discovered, and remaining also. Okay, 1.1 to 1.7 million may be discovered, till now. But actual the species are there in the world 5 to 50 millions. So within the 1.1.7, 3 lakhs also present plant or we say fungi. Okay, 3 lakh fungi discovered. 3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 60,000 are also say microbes. Okay, microbes are also present. 3 lakh 60,000 microbes. 8 lakh insects. Okay, 8 lakh insects species present. And the 40,000 vertebrates. Okay, vertebrates. We like vertebrates. See, 40,000 vertebrates present till now we discovered. And remaining, there are about 46 million remaining also present in we just unknown. We don't know to him. We just unknown to us. Okay, so that is the reality. We don't know how much diversity become increased day by day. We don't know any island where so many species are there. We don't know. You in the sea, in the Antarctic region, in the Pacific region, there are so many species are there. We don't know. We don't discover. We cannot reach there. So that's all for today. Okay, I hope all you like it. So that's all.